All right, guys, as promised, this is the long-awaited for iPhone tutorial on how to set up your broker account with your MetaTrader4 account. This is where you're going to need that email you got on yesterday when we were setting up demo and live accounts. You guys got the email with the username and password. If you don't remember, it looks like this. It's loading up. Give it a second. It says new demo MT4 account created. If you did a live account, it's going to say something to the effect of your ECN account was created. So what we'll do, I'll go ahead and get into the MetaTrader4 app on the iPhone. Again, that's the icon right there. Well, my phone is kind of not, there it goes. So we're going to click there. Remember I told you whenever you open MetaTrader4, it's going to bring you to the screen with the currency pairs. On the iPhone, your settings button is down here. You tap settings up there where you see my name. If this is your first time using a MetaTrader4 account, it's going to have a demo account listed. It's going to be the MetaTrader4 demo account. We do not want to use that. We want to set up our new account. So we're going to tap new account. And you see open a demo and you see log into an existing account. We are logging into an existing account. You guys won't see these options. Yours will just say MetaQuotes demo. So in order to find Hugo's Way, you just type right there in that search bar, Hugo, H-U-G-O, and Hugo's Way demo and Hugo's Way real shows up. And you just select the option that pertains to you. I am selecting demo because that's the type of account I created. However, if you created real, you select the Hugo's Way real account. While I'm putting my username and password in, I'm just going to sit the phone down. But you guys just go ahead, get into your email. Your username is going to be that number that says account number. Mine says demo account number. Yours is going to say something like ECN account number or live account, something like that. Whatever yours says, you know, the account number is your username. So you go ahead and you type that in. Give me just a second to do mine. And then your trader password is your password. Don't worry about the investor password. Also keep in mind your trader password is case sensitive. If in your password you have a letter and you aren't clear on whether or not it's an I or either a capital I or a lowercase l, it's a lowercase l. FYI, you know, through many trial and errors, I've come to realize that that's what it is. Almost done. Oh, give me a second. Clearly, I can't type. I set my username and password wrong. So let me do this again. Give me just a second. It'll be silent for a minute. All right, here we go. Got it together. Now I am logged in. When you log in, it should take you back to this screen. This screen is going to have a few currency pairs on it. However, they are not the currency pairs that you need. They're not all of them. And some of them we don't even use. So on the iPhone, the way you remove a currency pair you don't need, you push the little pencil on the left top left corner. You find the pairs that you don't need. I'm going to get rid of copper and this USD pair down at the bottom, and up top, I'm going to hit that garbage can. It's gone. I'm going to hit the pencil again to get off of that screen. Now, we need to add the currency pairs that we will be using throughout the week. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video because I only wanted this one to be about how to add your account to MetaTrader4. The next video is going to talk about how to add currency pairs. So stay tuned for part 2 of this 3-part series. Thank you.